Gage Blabag rope and racing. All in front is taken by West Dream moving up, not the outside. Dapit Hapon passing the winning post. Dapit Hapon takes up the running Balang followed by Wonderlab. West Dream running in third. Alang Kanihap now is Lifetime moving up. Windy Win at the outside. Fifth down in six. Is Albatori, then followed by Manager Francis moving up his Classic in the middle portion is just in time, and into the back they travel. Dapit Hapon leads by some 6 to 7 lengths now, followed by Wonderlab. Moving up is West Dream. Lifetime, not the outside for down in fifth is Windy Win, and nearing the last 600 is still Dapit Hapon leads by some 7 lengths, followed by West Dreamer and Wonderlab from the outside. Third Lifetime, 2 lengths back to Windy Win. Here comes Glasaka inside the last 600, going to the last 4. It is still Dapit Hapon leads by only 3 lengths, and Wonderlab coming close now in second, and running in third West Dream. Lifetime. Here comes Glasaka and Windy Win as they hit the final turn with Wonderlab. Leads the pack now to about 3 to 4 lengths, followed by West Dream moving up as Aka and Lifetime, and finally Wonderlab. Class up, West Dream, Lifetime, close Windy Win, and Dapit Hapon for your Pentapecta.